vacuuming already? This is too much of uninteresting things. Alright. It ain't much, but it's honest work, okay? Whoa. Let's slow it down a little. This is a precious process in which the welder deeply connects to the chassis. Who am I kidding? Let's just get this over with as soon as possible. What's up, fellas? Welcome to the garage. Well, let's do a quick update on the Sierra Sapphire, shall we? As you can see, I'm wearing some warmer clothes than the last time, as actually a couple of months have passed since I started sorting out this rust problems we have here. The progress is slow and steady, but the key word here is steady. I actually had quite some more stuff going on, so I just kept on chirping away the rust as I managed. He's full of excuses! Well, call him what you want, but I got my reasons. Anyways, check this out. I think I might be seeing the light at the end of the tunnel here. So where should I start? As you see here, I have actually decided to remove the front doors, and it is really quite an easy task. If those hinges are moving, of course. You know, if they're rusted in, then you're gonna have a day removing the doors. But anyways, these actually came out pretty easily because I have been removing these doors once when a friend of mine bumped into it. That's another story. But check out all the progress I made. Let's start from the back here. As you see here, I've actually... As you see here, I actually replaced all of this. This is all rusted out here. And we'll see from the upper side as well. I actually welded all this in and replaced it. All material that I replaced is stainless because I really intend to keep this car for quite a long time. And I really want to eliminate all the ever-occurring rust problems you get with a car like this. Also, by my little research, I haven't found any reasons not to use stainless steel. Some people were discussing some differences in electric potential, you know, between stainless and mild steel. but I really don't see a problem with those minor differences, so I think we'll be just fine. Carrying on, I have replaced the rusty parts here. You see here, this is all kind of grayish or blackish. This is because I painted all of this with this base anti-corrosive paint. This is supposed to react with all the corrosion or all the rust, you know, and kind of neutralize it. And the best part of this thing is you can actually just paint over it, you know, with a base coat of paint. So I will be doing that once I sort everything out. With that out of the way, you can see here I've also replaced this. This is quite thick stainless steel on both sides, of course. Here we didn't have any really major rust, so it was just a surface rust. I just brushed it all off and just painted over it. Here I replaced this part. Of course, on this part as well, this is all new, let's say. And here, as you can see, I will be sorting that out as well. I got rust here, but I will be sparing this for last. First, I'm trying to sort out the underneath. As you see here, I also replaced these parts, and also here, it's quite self-explanatory. This is all being replaced. Here as well, These are all very usual or standard places for those cars to rust, as I stated numerous times before. You have two plates of steel and they are just spot welded, you know, resistance welded. In between there comes, of course, water or moisture, and then the rust kind of forms inside there. You've seen that before. This and this are all being replaced. Here, of course, I will also reinforce this as it was reinforced originally. I will be just using some simple angle profiles like this one. This is nice and sturdy, and also it will be quite simple to put on because I will just cut it to size and just fix it on there somehow. As you can see here in this corner as well, I replaced quite some material. I replaced all of this and this. Of course, as you can see here, this is stainless. This I removed because it was all bent in, and yeah, I just cut it out and make it, you know, flat, just you know, original shape. And then actually I reinforced it from the inside. So when I'll be jacking up the car here, this will not be bending inside again. Originally, this is quite prone to damage because it isn't really thick as it comes originally. So yeah, that's it. On this side as well, I replaced this. Pretty much the same thing as on the other side. Here I will cut a bit more and then just fix some angular profiles along this line here. Now the next thing I will have to take care of is also this corners here. As you can see, we got some rust forming inside here as well. I think I will be cutting this whole piece away and just replace it again with stainless, just because we're going long term here. Anyways, couple more words on the stainless steel I got here. This, as you might tell, as it is in different shapes and sizes, I actually got from junkyard. The obvious advantage of the stainless being that it doesn't rust. Duh. So you can just buy it by kilogram, used, let's say, from the scrapyard. So that's kind of my little trick here. As you can see, I'm just welding it with a standard cheap mag welder. I got mild steel wire here, but you know, I'm really not concerned with the welds rusting because you know, it's thick, it won't rust through, and yeah, I'm going to protect it anyway. And that's about it. Let's take a look from the inside now. Alright, so check it out. Here, this has all been replaced. Wherever I saw, you know, kind of a rusty spot and was suspicious that it might spread further, I just cut some more. So yeah, this is kind of the result. And here as well, this has all been replaced. So yeah, you might imagine it was quite of a job, and yeah, I'm still not finished, obviously. Here I have to weld it from the inside some more, and then just grind the welds a little, just a little bit. I'm really not concerned because this is all, you know, kind of covered with this insulation here. This I just removed, kind of a tar looking thing, and you know, it serves as a vibration damping, I think, so you don't get that drone from naked steel, you know. I will be figuring that out as I go. I think I might just use some new insulation here, but yeah, I will be figuring that out a bit later. Here in the back you can also see how it looks, all replaced here and here as well. And of course here on this side. Here a bit less needed replacing, but we did have this hole here in the front, kind of a similar story that on the driver's side. So yeah, as you see, quite a tedious and long-lasting job, but I will be that much happier once I finish it all. So in high spirits, I will just carry on and get this thing sorted out. Nice, healthy, and as good as new. Even better than new. Let's do it.